Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy S20 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and next undo 5 screws and disconnect the connector to take out the wireless pad, and also disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect 4 connector plugs from the top and then take out the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, place the new battery in the body. And if needed, add adhesive to the battery. Next, secure 4 connector plugs into the logic board and also make sure to secure the battery plug. Next, add the SIM tray and place the wireless pad by securing 5 screws and the connector. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are using binding clips to tighten the back cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.